Treating your yard perimeter with labeled granular insecticide is the fastest way to get broad knockdown of ants and fleas around the home. Choose a product labeled for perimeter use and for the target pests, and follow the label directions exactly, because that is the law and the safety guide. Use a handheld or tow-behind broadcast spreader set to the manufacturer recommended rate, and walk a consistent path roughly 2 to 3 feet from the foundation, concentrating on narrow landscape beds and entry points like gates and utility penetrations. After application, water the treated band lightly with a garden hose using a fine spray for the time specified on the label so the granules dissolve and the active ingredient releases into the soil surface. Do not create runoff into storm drains or waterways. Avoid applying over blooming plants, vegetable beds, or known pollinator pathways, and leave an untreated buffer of at least 3 feet around flowering plants to reduce exposure to beneficial insects. Store unused product in its original container with the label intact, locked away and out of reach of children and pets, and dispose of empty containers exactly as the label directs. For neighborhoods with restrictions on certain chemistries, check local regulations and choose legal alternatives such as labeled non-carbaryl granular products and, when in doubt, call your local extension office for specific regional guidance. Common mistakes include broadcasting too close to flowering plants, which harms pollinators, so leave a buffer and avoid application when bees are active. Another issue is over-application, believing more is better, which increases risk to pets and the environment, so measure out the area and apply only the labeled rate. A frequent concern is failing to water in the granules, which prevents proper release of the active ingredient. Correct that by applying the specified light irrigation immediately after spread and do not generate runoff. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like perimeter pest control by letting us find local professionals and share project experiences. We also host a discussion community where we trade tips, product experiences, and local regulatory insights to help everyone make safer, smarter choices